Drifting requires precision, skill, and a whole lot of horsepower. The drivers spend years honing their craft, perfecting their technique to make the car slide sideways around corners.
I'm gonna date myself, but basically it all started when I was in my late teens, back in the early 2000s, with the good old dial-up internet, pulling up Option magazine and best motoring videos from what they were doing out in Japan, and it was something I'd never seen before. Completely out of this world, and it sparked my interest. I was a spectator ever since. Formula Drift came to the US, started going to that, and basically started watching that and going to the events in 2006, and haven't really missed a year since. Started driving 2 years ago. Some of the most fun I've ever had, some of the nicest people I've ever met, super supportive, everyone's really welcoming. It's just a really good community to be a part of.